Hi there, this is Marcus, and today I'm going to demonstrate how to install the Canimmobilizer on the Ferrari Purosangue. Let's go to the bottom and start by removing the screws. Then pull the panel down to remove it. Next, open the side panel that is held by clips. Unscrew the screw. Then carefully remove the front panel. Before proceeding to the next step, remember to disconnect the plugs here. Disconnect the plugs. Unscrew 2 screws to remove this part. To open the steering wheel, remove the screws located underneath it. Unscrew 2 screws underneath the steering wheel cover. Remove the steering wheel cover. There comes the connector that will be used. Unplug it. Here is the device that comes with a blind plug to simplify the removal process. Connect the device and plug it again. Run a long cable for easy access to the device. Number 1 cable is connected to the device and number 2 cable is connected to the blind plug. And that's it. Now your car is safe with Canimmobilizer. Thank you for watching.